Hi guys, this is Izzeddin here from Raqmedia.com. Welcome back. What is special also about this bracelet is its capability to get charged without any charger, as the charger is built in. This is what we'll see from this side at the back. Have the charger, so we just remove this side and you will find the charger in here. Good, that's it. You just plug it in and it will work fine.
www.raqmedia.com.
Till next tutorial, this is your host Izzeddin. Peace.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.raqmedia.com